mold is more than an eyesore. It's a warning sign your home may be hiding serious moisture problems. At Mold Busters, we've helped thousands of homeowners identify and eliminate dangerous mold threats before they spread. Green mold often appears fuzzy or powdery and can grow on walls, insulation, carpets, food, and even HVAC systems. Left untreated, it can trigger allergies, respiratory irritation, strange odors, and rapid structural damage. If you notice green patches forming in damp areas like basements, bathrooms, attics, or around leaks, it's time to act fast. Professional inspection and removal are essential to stop contamination at the source and restore clean, healthy air. Protect your home and your family. Trust Mold Busters for certified mold testing and safe remediation. Learn more at bustmold.com.